Tell me why every time I drain a can, I lose half the food and all my patience down the sink. If you've ever watched your corn go down the drain, this video is for you. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I make shelf-stable meals, snack, and lazy cooking hacks that'll save you time, money, and your fridge space. You know the move. You open the can, you crack the lid, tilt the can, and suddenly your entire can of fruit is everywhere. This is not the time to sacrifice food to the drain gods. And I found the solution. This clip-on can strainer from Amazon. It snaps right on the can and it actually holds the food in. No bowls, no colanders. Well, technically this is a can colander, but no drama. Let's test it. Carrots first. Clip it on, drain, look at that. 0 escapees. Tomatoes. These are usually chaos. So much water is left behind and it is awful for my spaghetti sauce. But look at that, nothing lost. Completely drained. I'm impressed. Corn, the usual sink victim with the little bitty pieces, drains. All the corn, still here. Beans, the final boss. They hold a lot of that gooey moisture in them. And you can't ever seem to get it drained properly. But look at that, this thing works. This is one of those tiny tools that makes cooking way less annoying, especially if you use canned food a lot, which, hi, canned queen, I do. It's cheap and easy and actually does what it claims it does. So if you want fewer sink tragedies and more food on your plate and in your pan, this thing is worth it. Even if you cook with cans just a little bit, you need this tool. I have the link so you don't have to hunt for it. DM me strainer for a direct link for this exact one. And yes, I am mad I did not buy this sooner. So follow me, like and subscribe, and check out loadedpotato.org for shelf-stable meals, snacks, and lazy cooking hacks that'll save you time, money, and your fridge space. Till next time.